Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a project in Penpot, right? So you have two options. So the first one is for a team collaboration, okay, which will give other people editing access. And the second one is for public or guest viewing, which is read only. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do the first one. So if you haven't done so, or if you haven't already, you need to create a team in Penpot, okay? So to do that, go to the top left, click on your Penpot. Now click on create a new team, okay? Go ahead and give it a name, YT team, just for example. Create new team, there you go. Now go ahead and invite members, select the role, editor, viewer, or admin, okay? Enter the email right here, like so, and just send the invitation and just wait for them to approve or accept the invitation. And once done, they'll be right here under your specific team. You can go ahead and work in one dashboard, okay? As you can see here, this is your Penpot and this is your team's Penpot. So the other option, or the second option, is for public and guest viewing, which is read only. You could go ahead and do the same, okay? Add a team for public viewing, or you could go ahead and open up your file, maybe this one, and then you could go ahead and click on the play button right here at the top right, like so. Now in here we have the share button. Just click on it, get the link, or if you want to, you could go ahead and manage permissions right here, okay? Who can comment? Only team members or all Penpot users. Who can inspect the code? Only team members or all Penpot users, okay? Copy, just send it to whoever you want, okay? As you can see. All right, now if you don't want them to access the link anymore, just click on destroy link right here and destroy, okay? And if you want to reshare it, just click on get link once more and send it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.